Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, The Cyber Geek. Today in this video we are going to talk about the all those companies, all those industry where the AR, VR and MR technologies are being used and is going to used in the future. So let's start this video. The first company is Apple, which is leveraging the mixed reality so it can help the customers to experience lots of things with that just one Apple Pro Vision, a mixed reality headset which Apple company recently announced. So it is going to give you the vision of your environment with apps, with depths and brightness, lightning and everything just you feel in a movie theater. In whatever space you are, you will feel the complete movie theater experience. And the next company which is leveraging augmented reality technologies, it is Lenskart. You may have heard about this company, and there's a Lenskart company. It's already is using the augmented reality technologies in their own apps where you can easily just experience that how that their glasses and the products will look on over your faces, and where before buying those glasses you'll be able to experience that how you will look in that glass. So that's how the Lenskart is giving the most convenient and reasonable products, so the customers won't regret after purchasing that product. That's why it is revolutionizing the shopping experience of the customers, which is getting very better and better day by day. So they are just improving day by day their augmented reality technologies. And the third one, which is leveraging augmented reality and virtual reality, is IB Cricket. So IB Cricket is helping the customers so they can experience the cricket environments. So the people who loves to play cricket and want to experience the all of those things, so IB Cricket is helping those customers who wants to learn all those things too. So the customers who wants to train themselves and want to be a pro and professional in that particular thing, so like if everyone's aware about that, most of the people in India, cricket is the most loving game. So IB Cricket has done these things with the help of augmented reality and virtual reality. So there customers can experience the all those training modules and the simulations you will be enjoying, and it will give you the complete exact experience as you will feel if you're going in a ground field of the cricket where every professional cricketer play their games. So IB Cricket is giving you that experience and you will be enjoying that, and you can go and check all of those things if you want to check check it out by yourselves. And the last one which I'm going to talk about is IKEA. IKEA is the company which is leveraging virtual reality technologies. Their virtual reality technologies also, and they are using augmented reality technologies also, because they are giving the customers those convenient experience and the most appropriate revolutionized apps by which you can, like if you want to buy a product, by which means you'll be able to see that how that product will look at your home, whether if you are, even if you are not able to go to the exact where that shop is, or even like there is a company or there is a shopping mall, you can go there. So you can just sitting by at home, you can buy the products and see how that product will look at your home and wherever you want to just put and keep that thing. So IKEA is getting much better than it used to be. So if you want to know all those things in a brief, I have dropped the link in the description, so please check it out. Until then, for the next amazing videos, please stay tuned with me. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring.